Hi, this is John with the Andgar Corporation. Today we're going to cover basic tips on how to relight your pilot light on your water heater. Just in case it goes out, nobody wants to be without hot water. Follow the lighting instructions posted on your water heater. If you smell gas, do not try and light your water heater. Call your professional service provider immediately. Obey all posted safety precautions. Alright, so there's several different types of water heaters. This is a newer style, and so we'll talk about the older style here in a little while. Alright, so most water heaters have the same shield, just like this. You just kind of pull it away, set it off to the side. So on this particular water heater, there's a window right here that you can see through. Some of the other water heaters do not have this, they're not sealed combustion like this one. So you can look right through here, and I can see there's no pilot light. So no pilot light on this knob. Flip it right to pilot, hold. There's a built-in sparker, just like what's on your barbecue at home. Well, still holding. Hit the sparker. Look through your window. I see that pilot light's lit. I'm going to hold this for 30 seconds to a minute as it's still lit. You can release after the desired time there. Go ahead, it's still lit. Turn it to your desired setting. Take your shield, slide it right in, being careful. That's it. So if you see this status light blinking right here, there's a chart that you can go over, has the number of flashes, whether it's 0 through 8 there, and you can count these flashes and it tells you what's going on, and it'll kind of give you a little bit of a diagnosis there. And so if you do need to call the service tech in, they can kind of have an idea of what's going on, or if you end up calling on the phone, maybe we'll be able to walk you through it there. So that's what not all gas valves on the water heaters have this, but on the newer ones, most of them do. If you have any more questions, you get stuck, don't be afraid to give us a call, 360-366-9900. Thanks, and have a great day.